If you incorrectly set your neutral point, there will be two situations. First, if you carelessly push the roller like forward and then set your neutral point, that means the neutral point has shifted. So when you turn on your board, the board is in the state of braking. But for the second situation, like if you push the roller backwards like here and you set the neutral point, that means when you turn on your board, like the board's wheel will spin and the board will move like automatically. Let's show you like the second situation first. Turn on the board. You can see I did nothing, but the board is like moving, and you can see the speed is over 7 kilometers per hour, so we can't turn it off. Like how to fix it? Just push your roller, make it under like 5 kilometers per hour. You can turn it off. And then you should reset the neutral point. Long press the A button. Get into situation. Choose calibration. And you should, when you wanna choose calibration, you should like back to the neutral point and choose calibration, choose yes, and reset it. Okay, that's done.